In this video, I'll be looking at Okinawa Light. I'm at VSKE Automotive to test drive a few electric scooters. First up, I'll be looking at the Okinawa Light. Okinawa Light is a low-speed electric scooter which comes with a 250-watt BLDC motor, which is, by the way, water-resistant, with a load capacity of 150 kgs and 1.25 kilowatt lithium-ion detachable battery. Now let's take the scooter on the road. The rear comes with LED with a defogger lights. Hard mat design. An LED projector lamp with DRL. In the front of Okinawa Light, the brakes are disc brakes and the suspension is telescopic. Coming to the front, I definitely like the LED and DRL setup, and especially the side indicators. As I pan around, definitely Okinawa is a good looking scooter. I'm definitely liking the push type pillion footrest, which comes only in most of these electric scooters. I haven't still seen it in the normal bikes. Now coming to the rear brake is drum brakes and the rear suspension is a double shocker with dual tube technology. Now I must say I definitely like the Okinawa Light badging on the top upper corner, which definitely stands out different from the other electric vehicles you see on the market. Now as I come to the front, I'm greeted to this LCD colored digital meter, which is quite impressive. As you might have seen already, this comes with a mobile holder and a push start button. The Okinawa Light comes in 6 colors: the metallic orange, pearl blue, pearl white, sea green, sunrise yellow, and the glossy red. Okinawa Light is a low-speed electric scooter which requires no driving license, no registration. It claims that there is no pollution, but remember, the introduction of low-speed vehicles will increase mode waste. It also claims no tension bike, but everything that comes with it has challenges. Okinawa Autotech Private Limited is a 100% Indian electric two-wheeler manufacturing company that was established in 2015. Okinawa Light is the 7th product in their lineup, which was initially created in 2019 with 2 colors, now comes in 6 colors. Okinawa will give you 60 km per charge. When you unlock the e-scooter with the help of the remote key, you need to keep the key in your pocket and press the start button. This is very much like the modern car. The digital speedometer lights up and all you need to do is use the throttle, push the way through the gully. It has a sedate start and picks up speed depending on the load and the incline of the road. The Okinawa Light is obviously not meant for the highways but short distance. This is an ideal vehicle to run to get your groceries from your nearby store or drop your kids at the music class. And for those small errands, one has to deal with every now and then. At priced above around 65,000, it is kind of affordable, but then it is practical electric scooter. Couple of things which I've noticed. Okinawa Light comes with a 1.25 kilowatt detachable battery which allows you to reach a max speed of 35 kilometers. One charge has a range of around 60 kilometers. The charging time is around 4 to 5 hours. Comes with all the bells and whistles like your push start, battery lock, auto handle lock, remote on function, push type pillion footrest. This bike has no tension with the driving license, no registration. Now Okinawa Scooter becomes the first electric two-wheeler company to get you the FAME 2 approval from Government of India. That means you get subsidies from India on certain products. Now when it comes to warranty, it comes with a 3-year warranty on the battery pack and 36 months or 30,000 kilometers on the motor warranty, whichever comes before. Now, as always, my final thoughts. There are two types of electric scooters. One is the low speed electric scooter, which gives you a maximum speed of 35 kilometers, and second, your high speed electric scooter, which gives you a maximum speed of 60 to 80 kilometers. Now, the low speed electric scooter is good for short distance. The high speed should ideally be better, but the current state of affairs, both don't have a lot of range when compared to your typical scooter. In many ways, you will have range anxiety. So what does this mean? If you're planning to buy an electric scooter, first check for the battery capacity. Depending on the low speed electric scooter to the high speed electric scooter, their battery capacity also changes from 1.25 kilowatt to 3.3 kilowatt. Second, check their range depending on the type of speed. The range will also differ. Third, check if there is any subsidy provided. Okinawa provides subsidy based on their high-speed electric scooters only. Fourth, currently the prices are quite steep, and I feel this will be reduced as more players come into the market. I definitely had a blast driving this vehicle. As I get to drive more electric vehicles, I like the innovation they bring to the table. I thank BSKE Automotive for giving me this opportunity to test drive the Okinawa Light. I will link the details of their showroom in the description below for you to check it out. They have a wide variety of electric scooters, and they would be able to help you out with whatever is your requirement. So do check it out. If this is your first time on my channel and would like to take this journey with me while I find my passion test driving cars and bikes, please do subscribe to my channel and hit the bell icon for future notification.